Welcome back to the set, man. I'm your boy, Money Matt, and I was trying to downplay the severity or the excitement that I had in my brain at the current moment, right? I was trying to, but I couldn't really contain myself, right? Because we have a product in today that if you are one of the 12 people, I'm just kidding, but if you were one of the people who watched the video that I did on a product called the Woojer strap, which was a device that you wear, right? And you connect it to any media, albeit your phone for music, your gaming consoles, your VR headsets, any sound or output source, whatever you want to call it. And what it did was it provided haptic feedback for that device. Cool, right? In that video, I made a mention of this is cool, but I think I need the vest. Lo and behold, I have the vest in hand. I have the Woojer Vest 3. The vest, you say? Absolutely, the vest. This thing, instead of the one transducer that the strap came with, this one has not one, not two, but six transducers along the vest to make you become even more immersed in the media from which you are playing. Now, I got into this and I did several different mediums, from playing Xbox to playing music to connecting it to my VR headset. Let me tell you, there is no reason why everybody who is a gamer, one who loves music, or someone who just likes that rumble pack feel on them when they're consuming media. Yeah, I played Madden with this thing on, and for the first few minutes, I was like, all right, let me turn the intensity up. And boy, let me tell you, it was crazy. Now, I, getting ahead of myself just because of the sheer excitement that I have right now for this said device. Now, this thing provides powerful and accurate haptic feedback. When I say accurate, there was very little to, if any, latency between the devices that I was using. Now, you get that whole 360-degree full surround feel from the vest because you have transducers on the front and you have transducers on the back. Now, they streamlined the design from the two, which at that point I had no idea who Woojer was until I stumbled upon an impulse buy at Best Buy when I bought the strap. Needless to say, the strap is cool and all, but the vest takes it to a whole nother level. Because again, it has those six transducers, and I keep stressing that because it's very, very important. Now, if you know the importance of surround sound speakers, right? You have your center channel, you have your right, your left, then you have your subwoofer to provide the rumble or the deep bass, and then you have your rear channels, right? And in these instances, we don't have just those. We have the Atmos setup where you have the upward firing. Why do we have all those? Because we want to be submerged in our sound. Now, if you have all of that, the only thing you're missing is, well, some companies do actually sell these where they have the base module set up in your seat. But why do that when you can have the pleasure of having a Woojer Vest 3? Now, Money Matt, you say, is this totally necessary? No, it is not totally necessary, but it is necessary if you are one who has expendable income and like to buy stuff that adds a level of depth to what you have going on. See, I, you know what? I'm good. Let me show you guys some of the cuts I did when I was playing around with this thing. And I say playing around loosely because It's way better than I expected it to be. And I love the strap. But again, 1 versus 6, we're in America. Well, I'm in America. You know bigger is better, right? It is. Take a look at this. This is nuts. Oh boy, I thought the strap was 1. Holy crap. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. You can feel each one of those transducers just feel like you in a like you got a built-in rumble pack on your body. They take your music to a whole nother level right here. Let's put it on intensity 7. Ooh. Oh, this is crazy. I can't wait to try this out on a video game. Right now, that's what we listening to. You already know how that song go. Ooh, boy, this is something different right here. Okay. So far, we good. Yikes. Oh. I just really wish I could feel what I feel right now. This is absolutely bananas. Yeah, I went wired with the Bose. I didn't want to do nothing else. But you could have connected the other Bluetooth headset to the Woojer app and then have your phone music source connect to the Woojer. So it's like this whole, yeah, you see how the flow goes. That's how the flow goes. All right, we got to try this on a movie. Yeah, this is definitely the way to go for gaming, man. Right now, I'm playing Star Wars Outlaws, which, yeah, I know. It may be a terrible game, but I'm a Star Wars fan, so whatever. And it's open world. So the way I connected this Woojer, right? I connected it via the aux port here and the 3.5 millimeter jack here on the controller. No other controls. We good to go. Simple setup, and you can definitely feel the haptics in this joint, man. Right now I'm in a club, or so to speak. They're playing loud music, and it's just like I'm in the club. I just feel it rumbling on my back, and whichever direction that I turn in, according to where the music is, the transducers do what they do. This is actually dope. Yeah, definitely dope. All right, we got some custom AI generated music going right here, man. Yeah, let's see if this thing slap. And I got these connected to my Logitech G560s that's on my desk here, so we won't get copyright. Oh. Yes, sir. Oh, we gonna let this ride. Man, if you can really feel what I feel right now, bruh. Let's see. We can change the intensity a little bit. Let's go down a little bit. This is it right here, man. This is the only way to listen to music for real, for real. You can change your settings right there. with this design, man, it is nice, it's sleek, it's slimmed down, right? And again, we have those 6 transducers. And when I say those, again, you're seeing it in the B-roll that these things provide that haptic feedback that we're getting, right? Now, it supports Bluetooth, number one, and number two, for devices that you really don't want to have any latency. Again, with the Bluetooth, I didn't really experience any latency. You have the 3.5 millimeter jack here on the front for your headphones, and you have the aux jack there, so you can plug directly into it. And I found that to be the easiest way to connect to the Xbox Series X. And again, here's the back of it, and you can see the inside of the vest here, where you see those transducers on the back. And again, man, I looked on the website yesterday actually, and they have things that you can put on the inside here to make it even more customizable and make it you. So they have some extra designs there. I think I'm gonna probably pick up a couple of them just because I like this thing so much. It's weird, I know, walking around with a vest on. Well, maybe not in some cases if you're law enforcement or you grew up where I grew up at, or you 50 Cent wearing a vest, maybe. Or it could just be a proper vest. Mario, no. Oh, okay. I'm digressing. But this thing has been an absolute joy to have. And do I recommend this for everybody? I don't. But at the same time, I kind of do. If you have expendable income to, purchase something like this is an investment. This is a good compliment to any of your screw the video games, right? Just throw it out the window. Throw it completely out the window, right? If you are just a lover of music, you don't get that. So we make all the fuss about Sony Oak headphones, right? When they come out, or Skull Candies, right? When they drop. What do people talk about when you talk about those headphones? You don't talk about the sound quality per se. You talk about the bass and the feedback that you get when it feels like it's shaking your brain. You don't need to do all that. Not with this. You can get some regular Bluetooth headphones connected to your phone, connected to the Woojer device. The Woojer app. Bruh, you in there. Like, you can literally walk around and, hell, be like you in your car, bro. I know. But that's what it feels like when you're wearing this thing. And of course, you can change the intensity. You can do that. But at the same time, why would you? Put that shit on the level 8 and let it ride, right? I'm just saying. Hey, if you got this far in this video, man, obviously you're intrigued by this Woojer Vest, or you're intrigued by my smiling face, or you just want to be a fan of the set. And if that's the case, please hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below on whether this is something that you might go after, or you might just go after the Woojer strap and call it art. Either way, it's going to provide that experience for you that's going to make you feel more immersed in what you are actually listening to, playing, whatever you're doing that's connected to the Woojer Vest. I think I'm done. I'm going to go put this thing on, man, and have some more fun. Again, do I recommend this for everyone? No. But if you get it, I promise you, you will not be disappointed. This is not just for gamers. It's great while watching movies in the VR environment, and you're just sitting there and you feel like you're in an IMAX theater or at a theme park watching one of those 3D, 4D things when you got the rumble in the seat and those effects. This thing is great for all those types of things. I'm your boy Money Matt. I'm gonna get on out of here and go play with this Woojer Vest some more because it's just that great. Yeah, check it out. If you're in the market for something that's off the beaten path just a little bit, I promise you, you will not be disappointed with this thing. I promise that. Because for me, it was an impulse buy to start with, and I'm glad that investment was made, because it turned around into this. And bruh, I'm not looking back. It's really hard for me to listen to music without this thing on now. It really is. And it's even harder for me to not have this on while in the VR environment watching movies on the big screen. I'm your boy, man. I'm gonna get on out of here, folks. I'll go do something important with my day. As you should too. Peace.